my name's Paul Cassidy. I raced for eSIM Go, fueled by Allen Fuels on the Isle of Man, about 6 years ago. And I was wearing RST then, and then luckily this year, 2024, I was fortunate enough to get some sponsorship off RST. The fantastic fit, the race fit is just a different level. Obviously we were racing at the Northwest 200 and we just come out the start and finish straight, heading to the first corner. We just followed Ian Hutchinson, and there was another lad, he was basically who we came up on, and I think he had a little bit of trouble with his bike. The Hutchie went underneath him, he sort of sat up a little bit, and then I went to go around the outside of him on the right-hander, and as I did that, as he sat up, he sort of coasted into me. I had nowhere to go. I seen there was a bit of a slip road on the left-hand side. Tried to go up that slip road, but unfortunately, at, fourth gear, you're probably doing around 120, 30, 40 mile an hour. Tried to jam the anchors on, then seeing there was basically a brick wall in front of me with the barrier on it. Tried to go around that, and yeah, knew I was going to be hitting that at the time point. So basically all I was thinking then was jump, do not hit that wall, and didn't even think about the house or the car behind it. And then yeah, hit that. The crash barrier sort of decompressed again. That's what caught my foot, and then that spun me round up in the air then about two or three times. And then yeah, when we landed on top of that car. Didn't even know I'd landed on the car, to be honest with you, until I got up and the marshal was sort of shouting at me. I turned around, we got up, shrugged herself off, took my helmet off, and not a scratch on me, and that's a big credit to the RST levers. Without that sort of safety in them levers there, would I be here? I don't know, but I'd always recommend the RST levers. They are the exact same levers, not even a mark on them. So obviously where I hit the car on the right hand side hasn't even broke the stitching, even the sides, no scuffs, no marks. The padding in the side of them, they help massively, in the arms, in the shoulder. That's where the main impact was on top of that car. Would anybody else like to go and test a set of levers out in that sort of scenario? Probably not, but at least we know they're perfect, aren't they?